Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an eye-catching call to action graphic that will increase traffic or will increase the amount of engagement that your videos get. You're going to be reminding people to like, comment, share, subscribe on your videos with this graphic. If you want to level up your YouTube game, then stick around because I'm going to be taking you through everything step by step. Let's get into it. Okay, people, so we're starting off on the Canva.com website. All right, we're going to home if you're not already on home, and we're going to use this presentation tool. The first thing that we're going to do is to change the color of our background. When you click on the white box, you'll see this color will pop up, and we're going to type into this bar here 00B140. The next thing we're going to do is go to elements, which is on the left hand side of the screen, and we're selecting this shape with it's a square with rounded corners, and we're bringing it to the lower portion of the screen. We're stretching it to be about 13, 30, 13, 70, anywhere between those two numbers is fine. And we want it to be dead center. As you can see, Canva has built-in margins, and then we want it to be about 175 in height. So when we are creating the graphic at the bottom here, we want to avoid anything with green tones in it. So that would mean like a yellow background that wouldn't really show up too well because we're eliminating green from the graphic at the point where we're adding it to the video. So be mindful of that. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to select something. If you don't have a file uploaded, you can click on upload files, and you'll go to your desktop or to your phone storage, and you'll get whatever picture that you desire to insert at that point. I'm just going to use this one because it's here. Make it small. Cool. All right, so you can choose to add other elements to it. There's abstract or other shapes to get the look that you want. All right, and then if you right click on if you right click on any element in the page, it's supposed to bring you to this. If you don't, and it keeps on popping up the other stuff, just keep on doing it until it eventually brings you to this table, and you can see all the layers of the graphics on your screen, and you want this pink circle to be behind your picture. And you can also crop it. But it's also like a cool image to have, like the picture kind of popping out of the space a little bit. It looks kind of kooky but cool. We're going to add some text boxes, and that way we can just adjust the text afterward. So 3. The first one is going to be your name or the name of your channel. Let me enlarge this for you. Right, and then the next thing I'm going to type here is lifestyle, beauty, DIY. And if it comes down to the next line, don't worry, you can always stretch and adjust that. Right, make sure it's dead center using the margins. And then you can type new videos weekly. So as I said in my intro, you can include any information here. If you want to tell people, visit my Instagram page, and you put your Instagram information, or your TikTok page, or visit my website, you can do any of that right here. But my call to action is to encourage people to subscribe, like, and just engage with my channel. So I'm going to change the font. I'm increasing the size, and I'm changing the font to something cursive. the way you change the font is just click on it and you'll see all of the different settings come up. You can make it transparent. You can have different effects. You can change the color. I'm changing mine to white. I think that will pop a little bit more on this background. And then you can click on the different types of font. All right, so you can continue to increase the text size, space it out a bit. So the next thing I'm going to do is to insert some other key elements to my graphic. As you can see, the right hand side of it is basically empty. I'm going to upload, I have a subscribe that I'm partial to, but you can also get this on Canva. I need to, where is it? Yeah. So I like this one. I cut off the bell because I want all of the elements to be separate, and you'll see why later on. All right, now I'm gonna search in elements for a thumbs up. And as you can see, I love to search for thumbs up because it's right there. You click on see all and you get a free one. All of the things that have crowns on it means that it's the pro version and you'd have to pay either for it when you're leaving Canva or you pay for a subscription, the premium package. As you can see, they keep asking me to upgrade to Canva Pro. I'm not doing it because there are so many free resources. And if there's something on Canva that you're not able to get for free, then most likely you can go to Google Photos and download something very similar for free. So now we want to insert a bell. And we want to see all. And this is the free bell that we're going to use. And it's shrunken. Now there's no particular measurement. We just want to make it small and proportionate to the other elements. And we'll see that once it lines up perfectly, they'll kind of give you some lines. Yeah. Good. So it's black. It's not matching the aesthetic. Let's change the color. We want them to be red. And you can also get a pointer. I think I want a finger on my graphic today. We want a free finger. Yeah, this is going to be pretty small, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. Boom. Good. So I'm pretty pleased with how everything is looking so far, but now I want to do something that's very important. Before you move forward, you have to make sure to tie in all of the elements together. So we're gonna right click, layer, show layers, and we're going to hold Control on the keyboard while clicking each of the elements. Not the green screen. And we're going to go on the screen and click group. So that means no matter where I move this graphic now, it's all going to be bonded together. Now we're going to go to animate. Animate is right to the top of the screen. When you click on that, you see all of the options come up. Now, even though this graphic is grouped, we can still animate different elements separately. So first of all, we're gonna animate the entire graphic. What do we want it to do? Do we want it to rise, pan, fade? Rise, pan. Yeah, I think I can pan into the screen on enter. You can also put for both so that it would do it on enter and exit. I want this to pop. I want this to, what do I want this to do? I want this to stomp. Oh, okay, yeah, because I wanted to subscribe and I want that to be in your face. And then I want this to click off and this can pulse. All right, so there's a lot of different a lot of different things I asked it to do. So let's see what it looks like. Go to the top right hand corner and click on present. All right, cool. So it's a lot of movement, but we definitely want people to be like, what's that? When you have this graphic come up, we don't want it to be ignored. So you definitely want that, okay? Right, so now we're starting on CapCut.com. You have your video uploaded and you want to add overlay. This will take you to your your desktop or your documents, and you'll see the video that you just downloaded from Canva. Make sure it's video MP4 file, and you add that to your screen. Okay, so it's uploading. I find that CapCut on the web is much slower than the CapCut app on your phone. I don't know if it's my internet, but it's the same internet that I use on my phone. So, I mean, you have to see which is better for you. Some people love working on their desktop. I'm one of them, but it definitely is slower. All right, let's pull this from end to end. And let's go to Smart Tools, remove background, chroma color, and click on the green. All right, so let's see what it looks like. All right, so that's good. So let's go back and add some sounds. So every time you add a sound on your video on CapCut, it adds a different timeline. So let's go to audio, which is on the left-hand side of the screen. Sound effect. I want a swish. I'm adding that. I want a mouse click. I like the very aggressive mouse click. There's one with three clicks. Yeah, this is it. And then I want a ding. And lastly, we want another whoosh. All right, good. So all of these sounds are overlaying each other. What we want to do is move them along the timeline. Make sure each of them has enough time to make the sound fully. And you want your whoosh to kind of be in the middle of the last part of the graphic. Okay, so let's play it and see what it's looking like. Hey girls, today I'm gonna be doing a no makeup look. We wanna be accentuating the natural beauty. We all have it. We don't wanna look like everybody else. We don't always have to. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to click the thumbs up, or as the other YouTubers say, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you can see every time I upload a video. I'm going to be making a series out of this, so there are going to be a lot more helpful tips in terms of how to become a professional YouTuber like myself. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye!